I never considered myself a morning person, but throughout the years, I managed to find a routine that works for me. This is my intentional 6 a.m. morning routine. A gentle reminder that not every morning looks like this, but when they do, I know I will have a fantastic day ahead. For me, having a great morning routine is about creating time and space to take care of myself before I do anything else. As a people pleaser, I tend to prioritize others, but having some grounding morning rituals has helped me. I found that the secret to sticking to a routine lies in the simplicity of it. From skincare to workouts and breakfast, keeping things easy helps to start the day feeling refreshed and full of energy for whatever the day has in store. I used to think that having a morning routine meant doing the same thing every single day. But I'm someone that gets bored quite easily, and that never really worked for me. Instead, what I like to do now is to have a routine menu. Having options to pick from helped me to make sure I could still keep my morning rituals simple, but also varied to suit my mood, the time of the year, or the time of the month. Things like what I'm having for breakfast or the exercise that I will do are often changing from day to day to keep things interesting. But I do have options that I know will work for me so that I can reduce decision fatigue and avoid feeling overwhelmed and therefore skipping on an important part of my day. One thing that isn't talked about enough when it comes to morning routines is how long it can take to find what works for you. It can be difficult to figure out a routine that fits well within your lifestyle, schedule, and that can help you achieve your goals. I know that was the case for me. One thing that has helped me was to make sure I truly listened to what I needed instead of trying to do the things I often saw others do online. Listen to your body and what it needs. It's good to get inspired by those around us, but we ultimately need to do what works for us and our unique set of circumstances. biggest tip when it comes to figuring out what your ideal morning routine should look like is to focus on the small things that bring you joy. For me, those are a cup of tea and a good book, pampering myself with some skincare, moving my body, eating nutritious foods, and planning the day. Remember to romanticize the little things and watch your life transform.